Hi students, I hope my voice is audible. This session is all about how to deploy your SDP2 project, that is Django project. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a simple website where I already tested the deployment and all. It is very easy. Whatever that we are doing in a PyCharm ID with the terminal, that we can do in the website terminal directly. So you can easily deploy your project. Okay. So this is a website where we are going to deploy our project. So the website name is www.pythonanywhere.com. So just type Python anywhere in the Google. You'll get the first link and open that Python anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll try to log in here. If there is no account, we can sign up here. So let me sign up here. Create a beginner account. Username. Let me take Surya Kiran 2023. Email address. Some Gmail ID. Prefer Gmail ID. And it is asking some password. Just give password. I agree terms and condition. Register. So I'm just creating a new account. Okay. This tour will give you can end the tour. So this is the dashboard and I didn't confirm the Gmail address. The email I didn't confirm the email which we received from Python anywhere. So let me confirm that. Update. We can update the email if you want. Manage your email preferences. It is just asking some kind of notifications that you want to receive. If you want, you can select all and save. Perfect. Now you can click on dashboard. So if you refresh this also, you'll get the same. So I'm just removing this one. Yeah, perfect. So this is the website we have, and now what we're going to do is we are just going to create a new application. So what I'll do is I'll go to web tab actually, web tab, and I'm just going to create a new web app. Your account doesn't support any custom domain. So your Python Anyways web app will be suryakiran 2023.pythonanywhere.com, right? Okay. So now next. So there are, different. Did you remember when we just started talking about Python web frameworks, right? Django, Web2, PY, TurboGear, Flask, and so on, right? So let us all take Django. Let us all take Django only. And the highest version it is taking up to 3.10, but as you know that our Python version is 3.11, but still 3.10 it will work. I already checked it. So take the highest version, that is 3.10. Now here we just need to give project name. Make sure your project name is Django project name. Did you remember while you create your HTTP project, you might have given Django hyphen uh, admin space start project, some project name, right? So like demo project or a EMP project and all. So what I'm going to do is let us I'm just going to show you how to deploy this Django HTTP project. Remember this project, this we discussed as part of our HTTP2 project demonstration in online mode as a last class. So EMP project contains again EMP project and one demo app, right? So you just need to take your project name. Some people may have BFS project, some people may have um, rental project, some people may have fashion design project, some people may have ERP project. So that project name we need to give here. Okay, so make sure you just need to change the project name, otherwise it will be a problem. So You no need to create Django hyphen admin space start projects and all. This project name will be directly considered as your Django project, right? So now there is a directory called as home. In that Suryakiran 2023, in that EMP project is a folder. So next. So it is just creating a new project. So did you remember like, so it is just creating like Django hyphen admin space start project space EMP project. So what I'm going to do is like, I'm just going to deploy this project, okay, by creating all the folders and all. So let me do that. So it is just taking time to create. Make sure throughout your deployment, you must have a stable internet connection. If you got stuck with any kind of step, then you need to redo the that step which you just got any error. So make sure you have a stable and the continuous internet connection. So while deploying this application, right? Perfect. So all done. Your web app is now is set up. Details above. So now this is the website. So you can just click on in a new tab. I'm just closing this. So now you got, so now, so this is the website. Did you remember when you create a project for the first time, you'll get this rocket symbol, right? I hope you're remembering all our Django initial days, right? When you see this rocket symbol. I'm putting this tab aside. So we'll just keep on refresh this once we set up all the files and all. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is like, I'm just going to open files tab. So in the files tab, cache, local, virtual env, there are three folders, three directories we have. You don't need to talk about that. So click on EMP project. So now EMP project. So let me compare this EMP project with my EMP project. So when you click on EMP project, again another EMP project will be there. So I have that. Next media folder is there. If you want to upload any kind of images or if you want to upload any kind of files and all, we can use media folder. Apart from that, we have static and next one is what? Templates and one demo app, right? So let me create static. So static is already there. So let me click on. Now I'm just showing you like you'll get error when you create any folder which is already there. So the next one is templates actually, new directory. So I am in templates folder. It is asking me to upload some files. We'll do it later. Let me go to files again, EMP project. So template folder. So EMP media static templates folder. These are the four folders and file is what? Manage.py. So manage.py is there. What we don't have? We don't have demo app. You can't create demo app directly here because which is not a folder. So we need to create separately by using a command. So generally, what is the command we are going to use generally? Django hyphen admin space start app space demo app. So here you don't need to create any project, but we already created EMP project. So files is there. So this is the web tab actually, and this is files tab actually. And let me go to consoles. So let me go to consoles and let me open bash. Bash is like command prompt actually. So now, so it is just preparing execution environment to run the commands and all, right? Now, so now, mm, present working directory. So you're in Surya Kiran. Now CD space EMP project. Perfect. Now you have EMP project manage.py. Now Django hyphen admin space start app space demo app. Perfect. Now, now let me just check the dir. Perfect. So let me open this command prompt like this only. Let me refresh. So you have demo app. So demo app contains migrations folder and the files. Perfect. So what I can do is, let me just go to employee project. So let me open my employee project also. Apart from PyCatch, update all the remaining Python files. So what I'll do is remove all the files that we have in the current directory so that we can upload our own files. Yeah, you can delete the existing settings.py also. If you don't want to delete, just you can edit the settings.py in this window only, but no problem. There will be no, you'll not get any errors regarding paths and all. You can upload our settings.py, no problem. Make sure you're maintaining the same project names and same app names and all. Upload file. Let's follow the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 files in EMP project. In it, the next one is ASGI, asynchronous gateway interface, and settings.py. Let us take our settings.py. Euros.py and then views.py and then ws.py. So all files are done. Now let me just back to my main EMP project. Then let me open demo app. So demo app contains some files. Let me delete everything. I don't want the existing files so that done. So what are the demo app? Let me go back to EMP project. Demo app. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And don't upload any kind of migrations and all. Migrations, we will do make migrations and all in the command prompt. So demo app first init and admin apps and then forms, models, and then test, and then URLs, and then views. Perfect. Perfect. Now EMP project static. So generally static folder contains what are the folders contains CSS images JS, right? So they have given some admin folder. It contains some CSS fonts and all. You know, when you open /admin, you'll get some login page in the some beautiful uh, UI, right? So that is called a CSS. So they are maintaining some CSS files and all. Don't I mean uh, think about it. So let's create our three folders: CSS, images, and what is that? CSS, images, and JS. So if you want to use JS, you can use. I mean, you can create. Otherwise, you can just avoid that. But as we have done nearly 4 Django projects actually. Every time, even if there is no use of JS, we are creating that, right? So let us all create because let's follow the structure and all. So JS, perfect. Now under CSS, let me upload CSS static CSS style. If it is more than one file, you just upload. I try to upload multiple files at a time, so it will not be possible. So we need to upload single file. So for the first time, it will take time to upload everything. Next time and all, you will update the existing files and all. You will add some more files when you update the project and all. Okay, but it will be very interesting at the end of the deployment. You will see the output here. Yeah. So now, oh, under CSS, we need to upload CSS files only. So I uploaded image file. So I'll delete it. So go to static again, images, Now under images, we need to upload logo.png. So you remembered, right? We discussed this project for 1 hour in our last online class, right? Yeah. So you can check the recording of that class also if you want. So where I covered all the operations and all. So done. So now EMP project, all the files are done, and demo app, all the files are done. No databases. So it is fine. No databases. Let me just create an open database in new tab. It is asking some new password and all. Okay. ALF 2023. Let me give root and ROOT root, whether it is taking or not. The password is too short and it must contain at least. Okay. I'm just giving KLF 2023 as password. If you want, you can change. That's your wish. So I'm just giving password KLF 2023. Initialize MySQL. So I'm just initializing MySQL. I'm creating new database. So you can't proceed with the localhost MySQL root, the root password 3306. I mean, you can't give localhost because localhost will be applicable to your laptop, your system only. We are running in a server. So we need to create a database in a server. So perfect. So MySQL is now ready. Now our default database name is created with Suryakiran 2023 is my username. Dollar is a sign and default is my database. See, your database names always starts with your username plus dollar. So as there is no database, the by default is default. So let us all create a new database, right? So the new database is like HDP project DB. So HDP project DB. Okay. Now click on create. So now so this is my database name. So you can't take HDP project as database name. So this is my new database name. So just remember that, right? So if you want to update the password, you can update here. So I don't want to. So so everything is done. Let me just update my settings.py. So where is that? EMP project, EMP project, settings.py. Perfect. So when you open that, you will get this. Make sure you click on save once you're done with this. So everything is done. Demo app, templates. Here, one point we need to do is you can't take templates directly. We just need to take templates with the base directory. How to get the base directory means os dot path of join of base directory comma templates. Because templates will work only in local system and all. As it is server side, the base directory will be Suryakiran 2023 slash EMP project slash templates. So I just mentioned here actually. So same. So we are just joining or we are just concatenating templates to the base directory. So what is my base directory? Home slash Suryakiran 2023 slash EMP project slash templates, because in the EMP projects we have templates, right? So this is fine. Perfect. Now, so SQL3 database is under comments. No, don't change that. So now MySQL. Uh, my suggestion is go with Django with the MySQL only. Don't go with MongoDB because you will have a lot of compatibility issues and all. And I mean, and even for deployment also, MySQL or PostgreSQL is very easy. As we learned MySQL, so go with this setup. So you no need to change anything. You focus on the project. Once you're done with the project for the first review or second review, then start up deploying the project. Okay, it will take like 15 minutes. I'm just going very slow, but you will do like just uploading all the files. That's all. Now, engine no need to change, and the name You just need to give this name. Don't give this name. Okay. Yeah. Now username is Suryakiran 2023. Password, do you remember password? KLF 2023. This is not the host actually. The host is this one. Perfect. Port number is same. Yeah. Everything is perfect. So here also we have taken static directory, right? os.path.join of base directory comma static URL. That is called as static. That means what? Users, I mean, Suryakiran 2023 slash EMP project slash static. Like that stat slash media. So some people what they'll do is everything is done, but they will not save the file. So make sure save the file. Perfect. Perfect. Now save the file. Now let me go to my EMP project. Now one thing I just forgot is up templates. So we just need to upload all the templates we have. Yeah. Add department, add product, admin home, admin login, display products, and EMP change password, EMP home, EMP login, EMP profile, EMP registration. You need to have a stable internet connection. So while during hackathon, make sure you're connected to if you don't have stable internet connection, just connect to hotspot and do it. Make sure all the files are updated. So when you show this to at the time of reviews and all, you will get good marks because you're deploying the slide directly, right? You don't need to take your laptop and show and all. You can directly show show through the URL. So view departments done. Now view EMPS. Next one is view products. Perfect. All are done. Now here there is an option called as console, right? Let me open. I already opened Bash console. Let me open MySQL console also. Right. So Bash is ready. MySQL is ready. Bash is a command prompt. This is something like MySQL command prompt line. Right. So show databases. So you need to operate this. Yeah. Show tables. So for now, there are no tables. So let me come to here. Python space manage.py space make migrations. Let me do one. Before go, we have already done everything, right? So go to this one and click on reload. Better. We are just reloading so that before going to do the commands and all, because we updated settings.py, we created directories, we uploaded all the files into respective directories. So now come to bash console. So now Python space manage.py make migrations. Perfect. Now migrate. Perfect. Make migrations and then demo app, migrate demo. Okay. Now show tables. So all tables are created. And let me create my what we call super user also. Manage.py create super user. Mm, I'm just creating surya@gmail.com as a password. Mm, Surya, Surya. Yes, perfect. So created. Everything is done. Let me reload this. So without waiting, let me refresh this. Perfect, guys. We got this right. Yeah. No, without any errors and without any hiccups, we've done it. Admin/admin and Surya, I think so. We have given. So make sure initially admin is add admin. So add admin, and then you can't directly add employees because full name you can give, gender you can give, date of birth you can give, but departments you'll not get because we just need to add departments first. Then only we can add employees. So department ID, department name CSC. For example, let me take in a in e-commerce site location which I've ordered. Save. Like that you can add employees. Like that you can add products also. So let me check here. Employee registration. Let me do login first. So admin login. Perfect. It is working, guys, right? So I just updated all the MySQL part and all. Add department. Okay. Second one, department name products. And Hyderabad. Not not the products actually. Marketing, sales, marketing, technical, like kind of. So updated successfully. You can update the department if you want. There are two departments we have. I didn't add any I didn't add any employees, so let me do that. Employee registration. Okay. See, so without adding departments, you will not get this drop down. I hope you know this. So some people, what they'll do is they'll directly try to add employees. So they'll ask me one thing, sir, we are not getting departments. Department and what we call employee like foreign key. So I'll show here demo app models.py models.py. So when you add department and all, so it's a foreign key of department. So department returning which one? Department name. That's why we are getting list of departments. So sometimes you can add default value also. Yeah, sometimes you can add default values also. Let me do that. For example, location, I want to add default value. For example, save, go to bash console, Python manage dot migrations demo app, altered, and then migrate, and then come to this employee. I think we need to refresh this, will be better actually. add department. So Vijayawada. So you can follow all our website. So for example, I've, so let me show you. So these are the review zero instructions and all. So this is regarding how to navigate to your URLs and all. And this is sign up and sign in. And so here is a very important point while saving the data. For example, if you already create the form, for example, you already created, for example, employee form, which contains you already designed the employee form using some HTML, which contains ID, name, gender, and you created one employee model, for example, ID, name, gender. In that case, you need to create employee object of employee of ID is equal to the name is equal to the value, gender is equal to gender, and then you need to save as employee dot save of emp. This is the one way. Second way is create a model employee. I mean, you already have a model employee, right? Then create a model form. So don't confuse. So there are two ways. Either you already have a forms and all, you want to insert the data. So do this step. So you can refer. I clearly mentioned that Django DB projects add employee is the reference. And if you want to use model form concept, then make sure you're using Django SDB project, employee registration, add department, add product. So my recommendation is go for model form so that best suggestion I just want to give is first complete all the models. And if you have any doubts while creating models, just come to me. First create all the models and all. So then make migrations, then migrate with the demo or app name, then start creating model forms and then front end. Like that you just do. Front end means HTML, CSS. Okay. And one more point I just want to focus is so generally in the PyCharm, some people are, I mean, like 3 to 4 issues just came to me stating that, sir, while migrating, while migrating the files and all, we are just getting issues while migrating the changes. So without any worries, what you have to do is you can do one thing. So in the app, there is a migration folder which is created, right? So what you can do is like, so let me check my settings.py. I don't know which settings.py I have. Okay, yeah. So just you can delete the migration folders directly without any doubt. Then what you need to do is like, first you need to execute make migration. Sorry. CD space EMP project. Make migration and then migrate so that the 10, so done, and then demo app and then migrate demo app. So you need to create super user also. So create super user, admin is already there. Okay. So yeah, gmail.com like that. So you can straight away delete migration folders if you face any issues, and then delete migrations folder, and then Without any doubt, you can just execute a command called as make. I just given all the commands and all. So first make migrations, migrate, and then make migrations demo app and migrate demo app and create a super user also. Don't forget to create. So like this, you can just complete. So if you still have any doubts, just check the messages in the group by following hash y21 pfsdstp2 and follow all our existing projects and all. Okay, so this is my final project where I just deployed successfully. Okay, so thank you so much, guys.